don't get paid if you sleeping, man. You don't know where I come from. You don't know what I've been through. Realize I don't say I sent you. You getting mad, I'm sitting back, I'm fucked up, I'm getting trash. Gotta go watch 2 gold chains and I go real like you know. Man, I rap like it's loaded. I mean.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another amazing video. Thank you so much for watching. On this video, I'm going to be talking about Dinoland. I'm not going to go into detail, a little bit, but not much, about this type of play to earn game. That's what it is. What I'm going to be pretty much explaining is the token. It's looking good. The graph, the charting, it looks good. It's, you know, just a little bit of candlesticks on here, barely to go anything off of, but I can see higher highs forming. I can see it's retesting previous resistance. So it's just a matter of time before it breaks out and it starts making some crazy upward trend, in my opinion. So the resistance line is about 25 and a half, give or take. You know, the worst case scenario, in my opinion, is that it goes all the way up to like 33 cents and it drops back down. But these are lines that I am actually watching. It is now trending throughout this channel. I'm going to bring it all around down here. It is hovering around this channel, so I do need it to break through that 25 and a half cents. So once it breaks that, I feel like it may or may not get rejected from that 33 cent high. But I'm going to be looking throughout here, man. I'm going to start accumulating around here. Once it starts breaking out, that's whenever I'll see what I will do, when to sell, when to start taking profits out of my bag and things like that. So this is a Binance Smart Chain token. Dinoland is what it is. It's pretty cool. It's like a play to earn type of game. Super early, still a super early project to get into. This is their DAPP. So a lot of this stuff is coming soon later on. By the way, now, this is not like financial advice or anything. Be very safe. Put in whatever you can afford to lose. I'm just looking for a quick little 2x. Okay, I'll be happy with that. Now, a lot of things are coming in the future. Some things look like it got delayed. Now, one thing is that they do have staking, so you can buy this on Pancake Swap. All you got to do is just have their contract addresses right here. I'll leave that down below for you guys to just have easy access for it. The supply is pretty high, you know, but that's fine by me. 11.6 holders, and the transfers have been pretty good. There is volume on here, so there is buying and selling. As you guys can see, just a few minutes ago, people have been buying and selling on a Pancake Swap at least, and they're buying a good chunk, man, a few thousand. So there is potential on here. They do have 150,000 followers on Twitter. All these links are going to be down below in the description. I got you guys, so please do your own research. Be very, very safe, man. Anything can happen, but it looks pretty dope. Their play to earn type of game looks nice, and they are currently in like different exchanges like MEXC and stuff like that. So if you don't want to buy on Pancake Swap, then that's fine. You can go to the other exchange and buy from there. But their volume has been going pretty nice. On the 72 hours after listing, they got 10,000 holders, over 90,000 transactions, and the volume is over $100 million. So that's pretty impressive, actually. So all it is just there's a staking, which it's already right here. Once you buy your coins, you can just pretty much stake them. But there is, I think, if I remember correctly, there's like a 7-day lock period, or yeah, something like that. Like I said, I haven't really gotten into detail about this game. I know they had like an INO, which you got these sweet boxes, which is pretty dope. So if you got into this early, congrats, that's really good. What I'm looking at is the coin itself and the price. Okay, so you know, some of this information I could have been wrong, I could have been right. You know, I didn't go much detail about their play to earn type of game and how it works. I'm looking at the chart of the price, and it looks like in the future their utility for the token looks good. They have it planned out. Their tokenomics looks good. Where's their website? This one right here looks clean. It ain't too bad. Now, I don't know, like their website looks a little bit familiar to some stuff, but you know, there's total supply 1 billion. They did have private sales, IDOs, seeding. You know, they have certain percentages for marketing and team and advisors, so on and so forth. So not all of them coins are out into the public. So this has been around for a couple of months already, at least into development. Quarter 3 of 2021. and they have all the way to a global tournament Q3 of this year. I'm very curious. Supposedly this is the team. They have their LinkedIn on here. I haven't gotten much detail about, you know, clicking on them and seeing if it's actually true or not. I'm just pretty much looking to see if I can make a quick buck based off of this charting. I'm looking at the 4-hour mark, but I'm gonna go ahead and spread it a little bit further out and look at the 1 hour. Now the 1 hour just looks the same. Also, it's hovering through that channel. It's just touching support, retesting resistance. It's coming down again to retouch support. Eventually it's going to hit that resistance again and it's going to break out. So it has touched it about I want to say about two to three times. So hopefully once it breaks throughout that resistance, it starts pumping up and it has a blue sky breakout. That's what I'm looking for. I wouldn't mind putting in $50, $100, $200, whatever it is. I'll determine that later on as I start slowly accumulating. Put in $20, $25, you know, but I am going to be keeping an eye out on this right here, see what it does, make me some profit. I'll go into, if this token does good and everything, I'll make another video explaining everything about their Dinoland. But you know, it looks pretty well made, at least their website does, and hopefully it looks good. Their Telegram chat looks pretty active, 98,500 followers, members, I'm sorry. And I mean, overall it's not too negative comments. It's not that bad. They are active and everything, and they're saying that their play to earn is gonna come out next month. So looking forward to it. I mean, we got some time onto this. We got a whole month for it to do something, right? I'm just looking for pretty much a 2 to 3x if it decides to do so. But that's it, man. Just do your research. Everything's gonna be down below. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Take care. I'm out. Peace.
You don't get paid if you sleep in, man. You don't know where I come from. You don't know what I've been through.